So, number one, what was fun was in palpating, there were several times when it got quite warm as we were going down the leg, okay? Or on a spot. Is warm when we find it good or bad? It's neither. It's both. We have to make a decision. Does that mean because there's good flow, but if they came in with a problem and we find a warm spot, we wouldn't want to think, oh, that's great, it's healthy here, but it's a problem somewhere else, and I move on. Why would it be warm? It would be warm because if we go a little further, there's a blockage or a dam. So the qi and blood are coming down, hitting it, and pooling before going through. Kind of like if you have a drain in your sink with holes to keep vegetables from going through, you know? You fill it, less water goes through, so there's more water in your sink, even though it's all going to go through. It goes through more slowly. So there is a backup. But it doesn't mean my drain, in any case, there's a backup. So that warmth is because suddenly it hit something, pooled before keeping going. Which usually means if I'm palpating and I find a noticeably warm spot, if I keep going, I'm going to find a hard spot. A blockage, a dam. Ein Damm. Yeah, that wasn't fun. I expect more out of the Swiss Deutsch, something fun, It's like you're in Germany, Guten Morgen. Here it's like, Grüezi. I love that. It's so cheerful, Okay, so warm, and then you have a spot. So warm could be good. Warm might tell me there's something else. It's just information.